The CP Republic is brought to you by Smart and Talk and Text.
And we're back with the hands-on review segment of the CP Republic. And as we said, pag-uusapan namin ngayon yung Smart Android smartphone kit, the new version of it by Star Mobile.
Yes, it's better and it's bigger compared sa previous smart prepaid kit.
Yeah.
And yun, it's from Star Mobile.
I forgot to bring the old old
Hindi
one.
pala, no?
Nalimutan ko dalhin. Pero basically this one is bigger by screen size kasi yung the older smart Android smartphone kit is my iPhone, my 28 only has a 4 ano ba? Ano ba kalaking screen nun?
4 inch lang siya. 4 inch lang siya. Medyo maliit yung kanyang display size. So, compared to this one is 4.5. That's why this one is better for watching videos on YouTube.
Yes, it's not 5 inch, pero 4.5 is still better than
it's
a
better.
4 inch screen.
Yan yung parang pinakamaliit dapat sa akin na smartphone 4.5. 4 inch medyo maliit na talaga sa akin. Then this one is 4.5. So, tama siya. Nasa tama siyang range para sa akin.
Actually, the processor, both phones are using the same processors, no? And they're also using the same they almost have the same configurations.
Yes,
din,
almost the same
quad-core
configurations.
quad-core processors,
512 MB RAM.
4 gig internal storage, 512 MB RAM.
But yun nga, mas malaki yung display nito.
Yes, malaki. And dyan mas malaki din yung battery life.
Yes, mas malaki
Mas
din.
mahaba kasi this one is 1,600 something milliamperes.
Parang ganun yung pagkakataon.
Oo.
Something na ganun.
So you have a longer battery life with this one.
Mas type ko rin yung design niya. Siguro dahil mas malaki siya. Pero mas type ko talaga yung design niya overall.
You have, and there are different colors like this one silver
pala
gray,
sa'yo.
this one's gold,
Akin is gold.
champagne gold ba tawag doon. Then may pangatlong kulay eh.
Black ba? White?
No, it's not black. It's not white. I forgot the other color. Pero tatlo siya. So kasi yung sa una, sa my 28, isang color lang.
Yes, isang color lang.
It looks quite generic, but this one, it's not, no? Tapos may logo pa na Smart. Albeit this is not they're not using the new logo yet kasi due to embargo reasons, no? Pero okay pa rin, okay pa rin.
Yung next batches naman daw yata gagamit ng bago logo na Smart. So if you want, gusto nyo lumay logo, gusto ko ng bago, antayin nyo yung susunod na batch.
Yeah.
Most probably bago na yung logo na ilalagay nila doon.
Pero mas type ko pa rin itong lumang logo.
Mas wala ko din.
Yeah. Anyway, so ito yung naman ng ito yung naman ng Smart Android smartphone kit. It's the apps are already pre-installed. I'm not the one who installed these. These were already pre-installed by Smart. Though you have the option to remove them.
Yes,
okay?
exactly.
You have the option to remove Viber, Spinner, iFlix. No, actually itong iFlix na to hindi pa yan yung It's just a link to download iFlix pa. Pero what I'm saying is if you want to remove some of the apps here,
no problem.
You can.
You can.
Okay lang yun. Walang problema.
Kasi kaya nandiyan yung Spinner na iFlix kasi si Smart meron siyang mga prepaid offers for
and these are good offers.
Yes. For example, yung latest na in-offer which is yung GigaSurf.
Yeah.
That's a 1 gig of data for 3 days and it comes with another volume of data for YouTube, for iFlix, for Spinner. So, sulit siya.
Bago lang yun.
Bago lang yan. It's GigaSurf 50. Pero sa mga prepaid, sa mga postpaid naman or Pro prepaid, you can use GigaSurf 299 which is 2 gig for 1 month.
Bro, ayos.
So, sulit.
Oo.
So, yan. Actually,
So, mas lalo mapapasarap ka manood ng dito, ng videos, no?
videos.
Oo.
Like for example,
Kasi
manood ka
I tried-
CP Republic sa YouTube.
Yeah, kasi I tried watching videos on on the My 28. It's not bad, pero
Medyo maliit.
maliit pa rin eh. Maliit pa rin.
maliit pa
Dito,
At least yan, malaking difference yung 0.5 eh. Actually, sa akin na
for
malaking
the
difference
price,
yan.
for the price, naman eh. Hindi ka naman lugi sa
Yes.
400 na extra.
Yes, it's 1288. Come on, guys.
Kasi nga, may kasama namang dalawang SIM cards na to na naka-install na.
Yeah.
And guys, as we said before, huwag nyo tatanggalin ang SIM cards. Okay? Kasi mavovoid natin ng warranty.
So yan.
Yan. So ito yung mga lalagyanan ng SIM cards. So, nandyan yung isa. Pero ito yung lalagyan ng memory card.
May kasama na tayong TNT SIM card pag bumili ka ng PlayClick. And then, syempre, micro SD card slot.
Yes.
So, yan.
Well, the navigation, yung navigation naman ng PlayClick, aka Smart Android Smartphone Kit, is, well, as expected, okay naman.
Hindi pa pangit.
You have to manage nga lang. You really have to manage your applications well. Kasi 512 MB ang RAM nito eh.
Oo, so kailangan talaga yung mga yung i-exit mo or wag masyadong heavy applications and games.
Yes, huwag niyo pagsasabayin. You have to exit kunyari if you're playing a game, exit niyo muna yung mga ibang applications.
Exactly.
Otherwise, it might hang. So,
may Clash Royale tayo.
Ikaw, nag-install ka ba ng Clash Royale?
Yes, nag-install. Kaso wala akong internet ngayon eh.
Ayun, di-connect tayo sa Wi-Fi.
Oo, connect tayo sa Wi-Fi. Pero gusto ko muna ipakita bago yung Clash Royale is yung Antutu. Oh, crap.
Yeah, so 10,800.
Weird nga eh. Normally dito sa taas siya eh. Pero I expect siguro baka may bugs lang si Antutu. Pero baka tumaas pa yan. Kasi ang performance niya sa akin is more than that. I expected more than that. Yung performance sa my real life performance mas maganda dun sa normal na gamit ko. So, yun tayo sa Antutu. Reg, pakita mo muna siguro yung mga habang nagko-connect ako sa Wi-Fi.
Yeah, so yung camera shots ito, dito yung mga camera shots using the Smart Android Smartphone Kit. Alright, so basically they're using the camera. They're using the, if I'm not mistaken, halos parehong camera ito sa my 2810 eh. Tama ba ako dyan?
As far as I know, parang parehas lang.
Yeah, parang parehas lang eh. So if you notice the color here, this one, may flash ito guys ha. Pero ito kasi wala tong autofocus. It's a fixed focus na camera. And it's not that good, no? It's not that good. This one's low light na to eh. 6 o'clock na yata. Oh, tama. Kasama tayo dito, no?
Yeah, sa
mga 6 o'clock na ng gabi na kinuha to eh. So, hindi na... Yeah, like this one. Bluish, oh. Bluish yung niya eh. This is something that you would expect for a low entry-level camera. Nagpaka-bluish yung niya. Yung mga shots, yung mga pictures. Another bluish. Then anyway, here, yan, kuhan si Jam, tsaka si Techno Baboy.
Yan.
Pero hindi pa yan eh. Hindi rin maganda siya, hindi rin maganda yung kuhan.
Medyo madilim nga eh.
So, it's it's far from perfect but it can take photos. Yun ang masasabi ko.
Yeah.
No, it has flash. Yes, you can use flash. Pero basically, you can't expect too much from an entry-level smartphone. Yung lang, because it has fixed focus, you have limited settings to play with, and because you're using Google Camera, which is what I really hate Google Camera.
Yeah, Google Camera.
I really hate Google Camera.
Ang dami kulang na features sa Google Camera. Pero it's the default camera sa Nexus devices or sa Android One device. Pero yun nga, medyo nakukulangan talaga ako sa features eh. Kulang ako sa features niya.
Yeah, so ito, wait. Guys, nakikita medyo bumabagal siya because maraming applications na nakabukas, so we have to make sure na patay yung mga ibang application. But let me just open lang yung Google Camera. Just to illustrate my point, wala masyado talagang settings ito eh. Pero yun nga, kahit kung hindi ka maarte, you just want to take photos, yun ang nakikita natin, medyo mabagal, These are your settings, may HDR ka lang dito.
Pero at least may HDR.
Yeah.
Yun na yan.
Basta na yung mga ibang settings. Ayan, camera, yan, settings.
Yan, so medyo nag-ano siya. Try nga natin.
Yan. So, yun lang resolution and quality. These are the only settings for your resolution and video quality. And you see, wala ka masyadong maano dito
makita.
Ah, man.
Yes.
But then again, it's an entry-level phone, so
wala mang irereklamo sa ganung presyo. I mean, it's 1288, don't expect too much from it. But
for
at least
the
it
camera,
can-
for the camera, well, if kung kailangan niya lang ng murang phone na pang Instagram lang, just make sure na, you know how to take good pictures well under good lighting conditions. Otherwise, ano kaya ito, bagal na So marami kasi ang applications bukas. So this is what I'm telling you guys. You have to close all the other applications in order for this to run well. Because 512 MB sa panahon ngayon, in 2016,
kulang talaga yan.
kulang na yan.
Parang it's using a Pentium 4 during 2010, 2011, parang ganun, medyo outdated na. It can run, yes, but medyo kukulangin ka pagdating sa power and resources. So, Rich, pakita ko na ba to?
Yes.
Okay, so ito yung marami nagtatanong ngayon sa akin. Clash Royale, there we go. It's running and okay, so yan, makikita nyo naman na I'm gonna use arrows here. As you could see, wala namang lag. So, maglaglag tayo na maglaglag. So, makikita nyo naman na wala namang problema na laglag lang ako na laglag dito. Okay, so try natin yan. So, ganyan lang.
May sound ba yan?
Yeah, lagyan natin yung sound. Okay. Tapos, so average lang yung sound. So, kita nyo naman na at least, di ba, kaya maglaro ng na Clash of Clans. If yun lang yung habol ko, di ba? Maglalaro ng Clash of Clans, yes, it can run. Clash Royale, kaya niya. Ayan. Sandali lang dapat Hindi na ako nakapaglaro nito. So, yan.
Minecraft kaya nagkakabi ko?
Kaya yung Minecraft, pero alam mo yun, yung lowest mo yung settings, yung draw distance. Although medyo mabigat din siya kaya medyo makikita mo yung lags pagdating na heavy resources. So, I really recommend yung mga laro niyo is, huwag na nyo nang paabutin doon. Dito na lang kayo sa mga light games like Clash Royale, 2D games, and other applications na hindi mabigat talaga sa smartphone.
Okay.
So,
Alright. So, the battery life naman, how do you find the battery life in your case?
Battery life is medyo actually parang nakukulangan ng konti. One time ginamit ko siya naglaro lang ako ng Antutu. Parang siya they call that, pag sa normal average user ka, baka magdala ka ng power bank. Like, maglalaro ka ng Clash Royale, maglalaro ka ng Clash of Clans, then if you Facebook, kukulangin ka, kailangan mo ng power bank. Pero, siguro kung lagi ka namang may dalang charger, wala namang magiging problema sa inyo. Pero yun nga, kung lagi kayong gumagamit ng smartphone, kukulangin kayo sa battery life ng
Yeah, that's the same experience that we've had. Kasi nga, 1,600 milliamperes na yung battery natin
Hindi naman ganun
hindi
kalaki.
naman sanay na tayo sa 3,000 milliamperes
Exactly.
diba? At least. So, talagang maiksi lang. In my case, I think, lang yata ako wala pang 8 hours pa
Wala pang 8 hours.
Wala pa.
So, actually, alam niyo naman, mga ganitong presyo, mga ganitong smartphones, hindi naman siya talaga nagtatagal. So, we really recommend that you get a power bank or a charger with you pag lumalabas kayo.
Unless na you're just using this as secondary phone, ang pagtawag pang text lang,
walang problema.
naka-wifi lang parate, yun, ibang usapan yun.
Walang problema
Mas
pag
matatagal pa siguro.
Yes, exactly.
Alright, so, Jamie, anything else you'd like to add?
Well, yun lang. It's better than the MyPhone My 28s because it has a bigger display. Kaya mas masarap maglaro, mas masarap manood ng CP Republic sa YouTube. Sponsored. Hindi, yun nga. So, mas maganda manood kasi mas malaki yung display. Kasi laki talaga ng difference ng 4.5 sa 4.0.
Yeah.
So, malaking difference yung
Medyo 1,288 is pa rin. That's still a good price.
Yes, it's a really good
Still
price.
a good price. So, may
it's a steal.
rebates ka every month.
Oo.
No?
Tubo ka nga
No.
sa rebates eh.
For
Tubo ka sa rebates.
we recommend this for as an entry level phone,
Mm.
or even as a secondary phone, which yun nga, what my best friend did, no.
Mm.
She bought each member of her family a unit. Yung para sa kanila, secondary phone. Actually, sa nanay niya, replacement na sa iPhone 4 na.
Oh, wow.
Oo, ganun. For an
Replacement
iPhone
agad.
4, oo. Kasi hindi naman siya palagamit ng apps eh.
Ah.
Okay na rin to sa kanya,
So,
okay rin sa
na
nanay
rin.
niya.
Hindi ka masyadong heavy user, di ba?
Oo.
So, I guess okay din.
Yeah. So if you just visit the nearest smart store or the
Star Mobile.
Star Mobile kiosk, magandang pangregalo to, guys. And ayun, siguro magpaparaffle ako. Ewan ko lang si Jam kung magpaparaffle siya.
Pag nagpa-raffle si Reggie, ako yung mananalo.
Oo, kasi luto yun eh.
Tapos pag ako yung nagpa-raffle, si Reggie yung mananalo.
Niluluto niya parati. Anyway guys, salamat sa pagpanood nitong video na to. And please stay tuned for another hands-on review segment right after this.